Alright, I have this bag packed and I have my GoPro inside it. Right, hold up, right here. And I'm gonna go to a water park and we're gonna have some fun. Alright, we are here at the water park. There is 2 slides. One of them you do not need to do a swimming test. We got a pool, goes from shallow to deep. That's recording. I want to go in there and record it and see how it turns out. Other side of the water. Ridley! Splash! Splash! Jace!
Hey, give me a
Yeah, here, take it, take it.
We're gonna just like go down here.
No. Waterproof.
Yeah. In the water, it's not that hard. I'll put my hands in the water. It's not hard. Can you see it? Watch.
Want to see how it turned out?
Yeah.
Okay, underwater try. You won. No, I won. I had scissors.
We go like 1, 2, 3, okay?
Oh, yeah? So you're doing a swim test now?
No, we go rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright?
Okay, okay.
One more.
Okay.
Okay.
I ain't going in the water this time, though.
Okay.
You won that time. Good job. Jace, get over here.
Hey, it's recording now.
Okay. how it turned out. It's all good.
Want to do it again?
Alright, well, that has ended my video of the water park. And thank you for watching. Bye.